mother sang a song to me in tones so sweet and low. Just a simple little ditty in our good old Irish way, and I'd give the world if she could.
Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing just a quick little Christmas tour of all of the lovely decorations that we have up in my house. I don't think there will be much talking, it will just be seeing lots of lovely sparkly things. Christmas is absolutely one of my favourite seasons, so I hope that you love seeing all of my lovely decorations as much as I loved putting them up everywhere. So do let me know what sort of festive videos you would like to see from me. I love you all so very much, and let's just get into the festivities.
Oft in dreams I wander through that spot again. I feel her arms a-hugging me as when she held me then, and I hear her voice a-humming to me as in days of yore, when she used to rock me fast asleep outside the cabin door. Hush, now don't you cry. That's an Irish lullaby.
I did feel a silly ass last Christmas night, 'cause I couldn't sing and I couldn't recite. The girls called me slacker and other rude names, and wouldn't kiss me when they played parlour games. But I'll show 'em something next Christmas, you see. I've turned up me jobbing between you and me. I'm learning a song for Christmas to sing up on Christmas night. Oh, oh, how does it go? This is the only part I know. Ha, 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 it is. I hope I shall get it all right, or I shall look a mug with my little brown jug when I sing it on Christmas night. To sing upon Christmas night. Oh, oh, how does it go? This is the only part I know. Ah, 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 it is. I hope I shall get it all right, or I shall look a mug with my little brown jug when I sing it on Christmas night.